Not sure if you need an iron entry door or an iron security door for your Arizona home? Well, you're not alone. We get this question all the time. Let's break it down. An iron entry door replaces your existing front door. Traditionally, it swings into your home and is fully insulated and sealed. It's your main line of defense and style at the entryway. Now, an iron security screen door, sometimes called a storm or screen door, is installed outside your front door. It opens outward and adds airflow, light, and extra security. You can even choose a home guard security screen for premium protection without sacrificing style. Want the best of both worlds? Combine security, airflow, and elegance with a custom iron door featuring hinge glass and security screen panels. At First Impression Ironworks, we've been proudly building 100% American-made iron doors for over 30 years, right here in Arizona. Each door is custom built by our skilled craftsmen, powder-coated in your choice of colors, and equipped with tamper-proof Quickset or Schlage locks, even digital lock upgrades. Whether you're looking for elegance, airflow, or extra security, we're here to help you design the perfect door for your home and your budget. Talk to your First Impression designer today to get started. Your perfect door is just one impression away. For a quick reference, here's a quick side-by-side to help you compare the features at a glance.